Hi everybody, Sandy here with you today with an unboxing video for the April limited edition kit from My Creative Scrapbook. We're ready to talk about all things spring and pink and floral today, and I'm so excited for it. I am a fan of spring, summer, and fall. Winter is not my favorite, so I'm glad to have that behind me. Anyway, we're going to start with the flowers, the three-dimensional flowers. We have 3 packages in the kit this month. We're going to have this package of pink roses from Little Birdie, and we've got 6 different sizes, and then some green stems to go with it. These are nice and large and sit up kind of high, but if you like to have your flowers more flat, you can take these apart and use them that way. You can see that one's been pressed together right there. So just all kinds of different ways to use those. And I really like how intricate the leaves are cut on that one. Then we have a pack from Prima, and this has got 14 pieces. And this one is from the With Love collection. And we've got some solids, some pink and blue and cream. Then we have some pattern ones. And then we have a pink and white polka dot right there with some tiny little blooms in there and some leaves to really make your floral clusters look real-like. And then this pack is a 6-pack, and it is from the Plant Garden collection. And these are fabric, and we've got the green and the purple and the peachy pink. And those will be really nice. You just need to fluff them up, make them squish them together, or use your hot, your blow dryer just to kind of fluff them up and make them look more realistic. All right, most of the papers and embellishments this month come from Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Flower Shop, and the Flower Shop collection is just awesome. I think you're really going to like it. But this is the chipboard stickers. We've got, our rain boots with some florals. We've got some title or word phrases. We've got a camera and butterflies and small florals and hearts. A big title piece here that says Dreamer, Happy Place, a little bucket of peonies it looks like, and then a little water pitcher with some florals in it. So those will be fun. There is 35 sticker pieces there. And then we've got 2 packs of ephemera. The first is a 45 piece of floral bits. And these are the larger ephemera pieces with the florals and then the greenery. I'll take this apart and show it to you a little more thoroughly here at the end of the video. So I'm going to set that right there. And then this is also the Simple Storage Flower Shop, and this is the bits and pieces. So these pieces are a little smaller. So depending on whether you're doing a layout or a card, you might select, one or the other. And so it'll be exciting to see what's in there. We've got 55 pieces in that one. So I'm going to challenge you to use all 55 pieces. So there's that one. And then we've got a Prima stencil this month that looks like little raindrops. And so that'll be really fun to use. You can either use your inks, your oxide inks, or whatever you have, or you can use your modeling paste, heavy gesso, whatever you like to use. And then every month, we get a pre-cut cut file, and this month is a wreath. If you're a member of the Kit Club, you can go online and get the digital version of the cut file and then cut it out at any size that you like. It always comes in white, so you can ink it up, paint it, emboss it, or just use it plain white like that. All right, so this is the chipboards, not the chipboards, the cardstock stickers. And so some of what we've seen before, a version of it, lots of buckets of flowers in different colors. So we have a rainbow of flowers there. And then we have the butterflies that are kind of common to Simple Stories, and the little hearts. We've got the rain boots again, and camera, a bicycle with a basket on it, with a flower basket. And then these just look so realistic, really pretty. Like, I think this is like a ranunculus You know, this up here, we've got some checked hearts. Those are really cute. So think spring, Easter, anything pastel or floral. Down here, you've got your phrases, and then there's a border strip down here out of the polka dot paper. So that's really cute. Now we have one paper this month that is from Memory Place, and that's this one right here, which is a striped and floral. It's gorgeous. It's pink with white, and then the floral cluster here, another floral cluster down here with a planner, and I just can think of all different ways to use this. It also, on the back side, has a wood grain, which is really nice. So I'm really undecided at this point as to which side I'm going to use, because I really think both of them are gorgeous. All right, everything else is from the Simple Stories flower shop. Well, this one is from Meadow Flowers, I beg your pardon. So this one is like a ruled paper, and then on the edges it's got some florals and newsprint. And this piece is called Wild and Beautiful. On the back side, there's a collage paper, and you know, here's your meadow flowers right there. But I always like the way that these collage papers are put together. Then we've got, from Flower Shop again, we've got one called Memories, and it's a pink, cloudy paper, kind of a watercolor. And over here, you've got some images, you know, the viewfinder and your camera, some envelopes and florals, of course. And then on the back side is another ruled paper with some more linear type of flowers on the edges. So both sides are really fun. And then this piece is called Treasure. It's kind of a reverse of what we just saw, with the viewfinder bingo card being on the right-hand side. And then on the back, we have another collage piece. And this time, you know, we've got the Flower Shop florals rather than the meadow. So lots of pretty colors there, and lots of different ways to use those. All right, then we've got our Dreamer piece, which is all the different butterflies, different sizes. So if you love to fussy cut, this is a great page to fussy cut, and then use all your butterflies on your layouts or your projects. And then on the back side is a purple polka dot, and that would make a nice edge. It would make a nice background page. So again, I'm undecided about which side I'm going to use. Then we've got a couple of versions of this in different colorways. This one's called Beautiful, and it has all these bouquets of flowers and then some singles. The background of this is kind of a creamy tan, and with purple, pink, yellow in the flowers. On the back, we've got a plaid in pink and orange, which I always love that combination. So those look really pretty. Then we've got some more smaller flowers, and this one, I'll turn it around here, is called Fabulous. And it's a brown background with these little pink and purple florals. On the back, we've got another plaid, this time kind of in a turquoise and purple with the charcoal running down between it. This one is really pretty. It's like a collage paper, but it's in a turquoise blue. And then we've got some butterflies up the edge. And on the back, we've got a creamy wood grain. So both sides of this, you know, really offer a lot of choices in what you can do with it. You can use this as is. Again, you could fussy cut your butterflies if you wanted to, or you could lift up the edges just to make it a little more three-dimensional. Then this piece is called Captured, and it has a lot of the Polaroid frames and a little simple florals on the edge. And on the back is a polka dot. This kind of reminds me of the old Bo Bunny polka dots. But it just lends itself to working with any of the papers that we've looked at today. Now we've got our tag elements. And these are our 3x4, and these are all really interesting. We've got, you know, the butterfly image, you know, your rain boots, the chair, some script versions, the bicycle, the butterflies, of course, the camera, and the viewfinder, bingo cards. So just any of these or all of them. There's lots of different ways to use tags on your page, either for your journaling or as a layer or simply as a design element, you know, with the banner of tags. And then on the back, this is more the journaling side or the more neutral side. But again, lots of possibilities of what you could do with these and what colorway you want to highlight on your particular project. Then we have some more elements. These are the journal elements. And so these are perfect for list making, just for a small bit of journaling. This is longer bits of journaling, or you can use these as layers. You can cut these out and use them as titles. Here's a little chair element on the side. So very useful. And then we have another really beautiful floral. And, you know, I really want to use this really bad. If I do, I'm going to have to give up some of those maybe. I might have to do a little half and half. On this one, there's more elements. These are your 3x4. And these are different images than we've seen, but a little bit like a bucket of pennies. These look more like daffodils. And then some envelopes, you know, florals, more title or caption pieces. And on the back, there's a really pretty yellow gold floral. And the print is really nice. So both sides are really useful. And then this one is your 2x2 pieces and your 4x4 pieces. So if you want to use these, you can use them as single. You can use them as a running strip or banner. The same with these. You can use these to layer or as a big design element. On the back, we've got this beautiful green floral that's really pretty. It would make a nice background. It would make a nice edge, photo mat, whatever you choose. And then our last paper is the 4x6 elements. And these are larger, but these are great for different things depending upon your project. A great big bingo card that says Happy Day. The chair again, and then the little flower cart down here. It's really cute. I like that. And then this looks very journaly up here. You know, live, love, dream. The back side of that is a brown plaid. So lots to choose from there. And so now we're going to look at these. If you give me just a moment, I'm going to put them on some black cardstock for you. All right, now we're going to look at the floral bits. And these are layered a little bit, but I've tried to divide them up into the single florals. And then over here we have the greenery. That one, there's a little bit larger piece rolled. I guess they're about the same size. And then these cluster pieces that are just gorgeous. There's some eucalyptus stems right here. We have various colors of the butterflies that are the same as what's represented in the paper. And then another couple of florals here that are so pretty and go great alongside your photo or just to tuck them into your cluster, your other floral clusters. And then these are some smaller bits of flowers to go into some of your smaller areas. So those are all really pretty. There's a total of 45 pieces there. And then next is the floral bits. And I had to layer these a little bit. There's 55 pieces here. But we have the elements like the bicycle and the rain boots, the buckets of florals, some large title pieces like Love This with the little floral and the title, the water pitcher, there's the chair and the stool. There's a nice little basket of flowers there. Then we have some butterflies, and then all kinds of little hearts, some dreaming, life is good, lots of cute little hearts. And then the camera down here, got that upside down, don't I? And it's got little flowers tucked on the side. So butterflies, remember this, there's another butterfly right there. Little trim pieces. Down here, another little camera and bit. So a total of 55 pieces here to kind of supplement what you've got, you know, in the florals, which are mainly a little bit larger flowers. These are more your icons and elements. So, oh, there's a stray right there in that package, a little blue flower. So lots to work with that. And then, of course, our papers, our die cut, our stencil, our chipboard stickers, and then our 3 packages of flowers. Anyway, you'll find details below in the description box about how you can order a kit, or better yet, to become a subscriber to the Kit Club. We have 4 different kinds of kits, so there's something for everyone. In addition to the 4 basic kits, we have a flower subscription and a mixed media subscription. So you can reach out to mycreativescrapbook@gmail.com if you have questions about that. But anyway, thanks for coming by today, and I'm ready to get started. How about you? Bye-bye.